Hey everyone, welcome back. Smartphone cameras are better than ever, but great photos still come down to more than megapixels or extra lenses. I tested every phone in this guide for daylight and low-light photos, video stabilization, zoom, portraits, color accuracy, and value. Today we're ranking the top 7 camera phones of 2026, from affordable mid-range picks to flagship models with pro-level photo and video tools. Let's get into it. Starting at number 7, we have the Google Pixel 9a, my pick for best mid-range camera phone. Its bold design and variety of color options, iris, obsidian, peony, and porcelain, help it stand out. Corning Gorilla Glass 3 and an IP68 rating ensure the device withstands everyday perils. And of course, it has an excellent Google-built camera. If you ever wanted to see what the big deal is about Pixels, the Pixel 9a offers the best of Google in an affordable package. This is Android as Google envisions it, with various AI features that make the Pixel 9a fun to use. It's at number 7 because it's the best mid-range camera phone at $499. Tensor G4 processor with top-notch camera system. Built-in Google AI with excellent Google-built camera. Bold design with a variety of color options. Corning Gorilla Glass 3 and IP68 rating. Best value with Google's image workflow, producing beautiful pictures effortlessly. Android as Google envisions it with AI features. For the best of Google in an affordable package, this delivers. At number 6, we've got the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, my pick for best camera on a folding phone. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is Samsung's best folding phone yet, and it has one of the best available cameras on a folding phone. It has 5 cameras, including a 200-megapixel main camera on the rear, in addition to dedicated ultra-wide and telephoto cameras. If you want a larger screen while working with the Z Fold 7, just open it up, and you've got a tablet to work with. It's a great option for those looking to do more with one device, though it costs as much as 2. It's at number 6 because it has the best camera on a folding phone with 5 cameras total. 200-megapixel main camera on the rear with dedicated ultra-wide and telephoto. Improved 2 selfie cameras take sharper photos, thinner and lighter with a more durable design. Genuinely useful Galaxy AI features. Bright, beautiful screens with excellent performance. Opens to tablet screen for productivity. Remarkably thin at 0.17 inches open. Refined, sturdy hinge with excellent build quality. It costs as much as 2 devices. For a folding phone with a top camera, this is best. Number 5 brings us the Samsung Galaxy S25, my pick for best small Android camera phone. Many Android phones have grown so large that one-handed shooting feels awkward. The Galaxy S25 stays compact and fits comfortably in one hand. Its cameras produce pleasing images with strong detail and more accurate color than before. The telephoto lens offers 3 times optical zoom for tighter framing, and optical image stabilization keeps video steady. If you have trouble operating a large phone, this is one of the best compact Android models on the market with high-end specs. It's at number 5 because it's the best small Android camera phone that stays compact. Fits comfortably in one hand versus awkward large phones. Cameras produce pleasing images with strong detail, more accurate color than before. Telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom for tighter framing. Optical image stabilization keeps video steady. Same Snapdragon 8 Elite chip as S25 Plus and Ultra. Virtually identical experience to more expensive models. For a compact Android with high-end specs, this is excellent. At number 4, we've got the Google Pixel 10 Pro, the ultimate jack-of-all-trades Android phone. Mix in the fun and potentially quite useful new AI skills, and the long software support period, and Google's new phones do a lot to earn their flagship title. The Pixel 10 Pro builds on their already superb predecessors, offering more power and deeper, more useful AI skills. The cameras remain among the best around, while the large 6.8-inch display offers plenty of space to do justice to YouTube videos and mobile games on the go. It's at number 4 because it's the ultimate jack-of-all-trades Android phone. Almost every element updated. Feels fresh but familiar versus predecessors. More than enough power for anything needed. Cameras are extremely capable in testing. Fun, useful AI skills with long software support periods. 6.8-inch display for YouTube and mobile games. Easy to use and swift to operate with stunning images. Little input required for great photos. For a do-it-all phone that won't get in your way, this is ideal. Coming in at number 3 is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, my pick for best extended zoom. The Galaxy S25 Ultra has a huge number of cameras, 5, and they all do different things. You can take advantage of 5 times optical zoom and 100 times hybrid zoom and capture standard and sprawling views from the device's capable 200-megapixel main and 50-megapixel ultra-wide lenses. If you often find yourself taking snaps of things that are really far away, this is the phone to get. It has the best zoom range of any phone sold in the US. The Galaxy S25 Ultra keeps stylus fans happy. The Ultra features a removable S Pen, which allows you to put the stylus to the screen for longhand writing, mind mapping, or sketching in ways that a keyboard cannot replicate. It's at number 3 because it has the best extended zoom with 5 cameras total. Best zoom range of any phone sold in the US, Galaxy AI performs edits like enlarging subjects or filling in backgrounds. Removable S Pen for longhand writing, mind mapping, and sketching. For taking snaps of things really far away, this is the phone to get. At number 2, we have the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, my pick for best phone camera for zoom. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra has a lot of AI features, the best of which are interesting and the worst of which are unreliable. Luckily, Samsung gets a lot of other things right on the S25 Ultra, which has a new Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, a high-resolution ultra-wide camera, and some sweet pro video tools that rival the iPhone 16 Pro. If you want the best screen you can find on any phone, get the S25 Ultra. If you want the most versatile phone cameras, get the S25 Ultra. If you want a stylus, get the S25 Ultra. Added video features like the ability to record in log format get the Ultra as close as it's ever been to the iPhone in terms of professional video capture. It's at number 2 because it has the best phone camera for zoom with the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. High-resolution ultra-wide camera with sweet pro video tools. The best screen on any phone with an anti-reflective display. The most versatile phone cameras available. For the best screen and most versatile cameras, this delivers. And finally, at number 1 is the iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max. This is the best premium iPhone. There's a new cell. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.